Hi viewers, you are welcome to Yanga Life channel, and today we are going to give you the update on that road under construction that leads to Onitsha main market. Yes, the road I'm talking about is the road that connects Onitsha main market from the popular bridgehead Onitsha. You have been updated on that road earlier, but today I'm going to give you the most current update concerning that place. You know, last time we visited, there was a kind of significant improvement on that place, and I showed you the well-detailed video in that regard. So, but this time around, we are going to visit again after some weeks. Yes, maybe it's about 3 weeks or so. I can't just pinpoint the exact date, but I know it's about 3 weeks. So we are going back there to confirm the situation of things there. Knowing fully well that we are about to enter October. After October, November, December, the year is out, and that market is a very popular market that people come to trade from all over West Africa. Yes. So that place is going to be a very busy place in a very short moment. Though on a regular basis the market is very busy, but usually the activities triples whenever it's coming to this season, this Ember season, because this is the period that people usually go to the market to buy things that they will sell and to do their own trade. So that's why I've been of the opinion that we need to get that road done once and for all. If I had been the governor, I would have just given that road to companies like Mega or RCC. There are some key roads. There are some key roads that are supposed to be given to a well-established and experienced company to construct. That is my point. So that they will do it once and for all, and people will stop suffering. Not every 2 years they will start reconstructing road again. They will do it to standard, and give you what you want. Depends on the agreement. So that has been my opinion. But however, well, half bread is better than none. We are going to visit that place and update you about the situation of that road, so that you see it by yourself. Then if you are yet to subscribe to Yanga Life channel, please click on the subscription button now, notification bell, so that you get a notification anytime we publish. Like this video and don't keep it to yourself. Share our videos, please. When you share our videos, you encourage us, and we always have the information of sharing any video in our back end, so we know. So, but however, is the videos that interest you, please try to share them so that others can watch with you. Well, I still remain Chinedu, your presenter. Let's go to the site and see exactly what is going on. Thank you. Yes, viewers, you are welcome to Younger Life once again. Like I promised, I am going to give you all the details that you need to see concerning that construction work that is going on towards Onitsha main market. Yes, the road that leads from Head Bridge to Onitsha main market. That is where we are going now, so that you can have the most current update about that road condition. Yes, we are approaching the first Niger bridge through Asaba, through Delta State, and we are about to enter the first Niger bridge. Just briefly, we will continue from that roundabout at Head Bridge there, that road that leads to the Onitsha main market. Yes, but as we are entering the first Niger bridge, please don't forget that some people are over here at watch. You are not supposed to overtake according to what the symbol. You can see that yellow symbol there on top. You can rewind it and have a look at it once again. That symbol means no overtaking at the first Niger bridge. Well, you may be unlucky and those guys are there to watch after you. Boom, you are caught. If you are caught, you are going to pay not less than 35,000 naira. Yes, according to experience, that is the money that they will collect from you for the fines. Yes, so it's just a warning. You can see that yellow symbol again. This is the second one on the bridge. The one at the entrance is no longer there. I don't know what happened to it. But at the middle of the bridge, you see it at the top right while entering inside Onitsha. So you just watch out so that you don't fall victim of them. And don't follow these commercial buses as our buses, because they might escape and you may not be able to escape. Well, that is it. I'm just giving you updates. Okay, now from this is the roundabout area of that the road that leads to the Onitsha main market. That is Head Bridge. This area is Head Bridge area. That one, you enter inside the first Niger bridge. From here, the road leads to the main market. So we are going to have a trip to the main market once again and see the latest update of that area. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell. Let's hear your comment about this video. And we do ask our viewers to please share our videos for others to watch. You don't keep it to yourself. It doesn't take you much to share videos. Share it to social platform. Once you click on share, you can share to Facebook, share to WhatsApp, share to Instagram and the whole lot of them, Twitter and the whole lot of them. So do us favor by sharing our videos. So I thank you as you do that. So we are moving towards the main market. As we are around the timber shed area, we are moving towards the main market. So let's keep going. So yes, as it is now, this road, the major straight road, has not been opened. You can see it's blocked. The culvert is probably still under construction. So, but we are going to get there. We'll see for ourselves. Well, this is we are passing through inside Fege, Onitsha. This area is inside Onitsha Street. So we are going to pass through here to connect at Zix Avenue. From that Zix Avenue, we'll connect back to, the Niger Road. That's the major road under construction. So this place is inside Onitsha, Onitsha city. So we have, busted out at 6th Avenue. So we are taking back our road. We are going back to our road to take right and continue our movement. But I bet you that place that we cut off will still come back there to take that area, so that we can have a full and complete view of the road under construction. Well, the movement on this road now is far much better than what it used to be. Probably the road is not wet because there is no recent rain. And probably they must have been scraping it and pressing it to make it a bit motorable, since motorists are still using that part of the road. So let's keep going. Yes, this is the road that leads inside the main market. You may be wondering why everywhere is closed. Because we came out very early to have a better and free movement, and to avoid quick disturbances on the road. So that's why we came out very early to have our video coverage before the activities will start in earnest. Yes. So let's keep watching. Thank you. So, but don't forget that we are having a reverse view of that road. Like I promised you, we are going to cover that area that we did not cover earlier, that we missed. We followed inside the Fege and we busted out at Sixth Avenue. So we'll follow straight now to cover that area so that you can have a complete view of the road. And we have a view of that area that is blocking this road, where I told you that construction is going on about a culvert. Thank you. Yes, you can see the culvert. This is the place that is blocking the whole road. And I bet you also this area is almost ready. Yes, it's almost ready. Probably they are waiting for one or two things to complete the job in this area. But however, I learned that you can see probably this area. I learned that this road is going to be completed before the Christmas period. Well, I hope so, because the drainage system is almost completed. Once that is done, there is nothing much that is holding this road again. So, but like we said earlier, this road deserves a walkway, a very good standard walkway, because it is a very busy area for both pedestrians and motorists. But well, let's see how it goes when the job is completed. Yes, this area is the timber shed area. After timber shed, you get to iron area or place they call Obo Road. Then after Obo Road, you get to Obogu. But honestly speaking, I keep saying this timber shed ought to have been relocated by now. Or this area will be better planned in a way that it will accommodate them comfortably. Well, let's see what happens. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell, share this video, and let's hear your comments. Thank you. Well, viewers, you have seen the whole trip, the whole video. You can see that you don't move the normal way you are supposed to move. I think that I brought that update the other time. You move the road. If you are coming from Head Bridge now, you divert as if you are going towards Port Harcourt Road and then enter inside Fege and then divert again. You will see vehicles going towards that area. But he said we will give you that direction in case of anything. And the main road, the major construction is still going on. That road has been cut off because of the culvert that is under construction. Well, you can see that the weather is a bit dry now, unlike before that we are having constant rain and everywhere is messed up and wet. So, but now it's a bit dry and I can see some notable improvement on that road concerning the construction that is going on. So, having watched that video, I wish to wrap it up here. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, please share this video so that others can watch. I still remain Chinedu, your presenter, and here I am going to tell you goodbye for now until I come your way next time.